Ćao svima! I think it's time to take a short break from grammar videos and focus on something less daunting. What do you think? The trick to learning a language properly lies in paying attention to the small things. Little words, mimics, catchphrases, and not just the tone, but the subtone of everyday expressions. No matter how small or irrelevant these details may seem when you first start learning a language, they actually play a huge role in truly understanding it. And that's exactly what you will learn today. In this video, we'll cover Serbian exclamations you'll hear every day in various situations. Are you ready? Let's start with one of the first things Serbian people will teach you how to say, an essential exclamation for social situations. Živeli. If you spent even 10 minutes with someone from Serbia, you will probably offer the drink, which was followed by Živeli. Even if you don't know how to introduce yourself properly in Serbian yet, Živeli is an essential survival exclamation that will go a long way and help you break the ice with the locals. Another exclamation that will come in handy when it comes to social situations is Nazdravlje. It's only polite to say Nazdravlje when someone sneezes, so it will be even better if you say it in Serbian. It really warms our hearts when we hear a foreigner using our language, especially when it's in situations like this. And yes, we know this word is not easy to pronounce, but don't be afraid to practice it. We'll appreciate it, even if your pronunciation is not the best. It's the thought that counts. Besides drinking a lot of coffee and rakia, we also like eating a lot of delicious food. So the next time you eat with someone from Serbia, say Prijatno. This is another simple sentiment that can break the ice and help you gain more confidence while learning the language. If you want to wish someone good luck, you can say Srećno. It's simple and kind, and you'll definitely gain some points. For example, sutra polažem vožnju. Srećno. Or srećno na razgovoru za posao. And when someone gets their driving license and that job, you can say bravo or svaka čast. For example, dobila sam posao. Svaka čast. Položila sam vozački. Bravo. Of course, the standard one is čestitam, but we actually use bravo and svaka čast more. Dobio sam povišicu. Čestitam. Now, there is one specific thing we say here when we want to show someone that we are serious and that we are not lying. And that is Majke mi. We also say Kunem se or Kunem ti se. These two hold a similar sentiment and we use them a lot, especially the first one. We use it to confirm that we are in fact telling the truth. Selim se u Sloveniju za 2 mjeseca. Molim, kunem se. We also use Majke ti as a question when we are surprised by someone's statement. For example, ukrali su mi novčanik jutros. Majke ti, jesi zvala policiju? And if you want to learn even more expressions like these, the kind you won't find in textbooks, our group lessons are starting in May, and this is exactly the kind of thing we focus on. Each lesson is built around real-life situations and real language, so you're always learning vocabulary and grammar in a context that actually makes sense. The lessons run for 4 months on Zoom, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can join from anywhere. We'll match you to the right group based on your level and availability, and in 4 months you'll be using expressions like these as if you've been using them all your life. The link to apply is right below this video. Go take a look. While in English you say ready, set, go, in Serbian we say 3, 4, sad. The usual question before this exclamation is da li ste spremni? So if you're getting ready to start a race, some kind of game or something else, you can exclaim 3, 4, sad. The next exclamation can be used in many various situations, and that's opa. There isn't a direct translation in English for it, but maybe we can compare it to wow. We use it for happy, interesting, fun, shocking or surprising situations. For example, parents who see their baby walking for the first time can say, Oppa! Or when you find an ice cream in the fridge that you didn't know would be there, Oppa! Or when your friend tells you she started dating someone new, Oppa! Or when somebody falls, Oppa! Another very Serbian exclamation is Alo. We use it when calling someone. Alo, dođi ovamo. Or when we want to make someone know that they overstepped in some type of way. Alo, šta radiš to? Or, alo, sad već preteruješ. Speaking of typical Serbian exclamations, there is also jao or joj. Just like opa, we can use it in various situations and to express different emotions. Joj, udarila sam se u sto. Joj, zaboravila sam da pošaljem mail. Jao, vidi kako je slatka ova kuca. Joj, nemoj sad opet da počinješ tu priču. So from happiness to surprise to anger and sadness, jao or joj holds pretty much every emotion. And last but not least, an exclamation that can help you in situations where you want to warn someone about something. Pazi. You can use it when you see a car come in someone's way, if you want to walk past them and need a bit more room, when someone isn't looking where they're going and you want to warn them about something on their way, and so on. Pazi rupa, gledaj gde ideš. Excellent! Now you know a lot of new words that will help you thrive in social situations, even if you're still learning. Everybody will love that you know these little but extremely important words that paint the picture of the real Serbian language. See you in the next video, and until then, uživajte!